going to deploy this service. So this service, first I am going to install the nano, install the VIM. Maybe this is not available here. So already you know this DNF install y-bin, this command will use to install the Vim editor. And let me check if the nano does not exist. So I will do the install the nano as well. It will take a very little bit time, not more than 1 minute. So now I am going to open the syslog file. So syslog file is exists in a /etc. Inside /etc there is a rsyslog configuration file, and opening this, and in this file first I need to enable, because I am going to this servers make as a, so here inside the modules, actually you can see there is a on the UDP. If you want to enable on the UDP, so you can remove this. If you want to enable this service on the TCP port number, so you can enable this one. So I am going to enable this. I am going to make this on the UTP, sorry, as TCP. Over the TCP, once I will do this configuration, and now I am going to save this file. So it is ready to access the service. Okay, so actually it is not enough to make the entry. I need to make another entry. So what I will make the entry is done. Now I am going to restart the service. So service has been restarted. Now I am enabling the firewall, means accept the traffic over the 514 TCP port number 514. So I am going to enable this. Means whitelisted this particular port number inside the firewall. So I am going to use the firewall CMD, and name zone is equal to public, and add port number 514 and TCP, this port number, and permanent. Okay, so it is success. Now I am going to reload this service, firewall CMD, and going to be reload this service. Okay, I think all of you know about the reloading the service, the use of the reload or reloading the service. If you want to check all the connected or the list of the services and the ports, so you can use the firewall CMD and list all. So here is the port number 514 TCP has been added. Make sure if you will open the UDP, so you will have to enable the UDP. Okay, so done. Now I am moving on another server, another CentOS server, and this is the 9 stream. I am going to log in by using the password. In a terminal, we can do the two things. One thing is I am going to make the entry. We need to make the entry of where to transfer the logs. So inside this, I am going to run the ifconfig to check the IP address of this dr show. So you can see the IP address is 192.168.555. So I need to make this entry inside the RT syslog configuration file. So here also the syslog configuration file, either you can directly make the entry by using the echo command, like echo command and star dot star means everything, everything, every type of the data. Every type means of any severity, severity critical, severity emergency, severity high, severity low, any type of the severity 1 to 7, all the data will be forwarded on the IP address 192.168.1.55 and the port number 514. This is the port number, and I need to make entry this sudo t and hyphen a, and inside the file number etc and rsyslog.conf. The entry has been done. If you want to check the entry, so you can use the tail command, tail and slash etc slash syslog server or syslog.conf, this file. So you can check the entry has been done. Okay, so once the entry has been done, now I am going to test this is working fine or not. Before testing, I am going to run the syslog service again, systemctl, and restart the rsyslog service. Okay, so service has been started. Now I am going to do generate some message on this machine. So I am generating the logger and log the remote test, or any name you can give here, any message you can give here. So here it is. So now I am going to move on my command line interface, means syslog server. On this server I am going to use the sudo tell and slash var log and the messages, and here is, you can see the remote test has been sent. So everything, whatever the log will be there, they will be stored here.